In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Skrill as payment method to Shopify store. If you want to offer customers an additional, widely used digital wallet, integrating Skrill is a great option. I'll walk you through the process in a clear, simple way so you can get it set up without confusion. Start by opening the Shopify website and the signing in to your store's admin dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner of the screen for the Settings option. Click Settings to open your store's configuration area. From there, select Payments. This is where all your payment providers and checkout options are managed. On the Payments page, look for the button that says Add Payment Method. Depending on your theme or Shopify's latest interface, it may also appear as Add Provider. Click that, and a list or a search field will appear for available payment gateways. In the search bar, type Skrill. When Skrill appears in the results, click it to open the setup prompt. Next, click Install or Activate, depending on what your screen shows. Shopify may ask you to confirm permissions for the integration. Approve the prompt so Shopify can securely connect with Skrill. After that, you'll be guided through entering the necessary details to activate and connect your Skrill account. This typically includes your valid business information and the credentials provided by Skrill for merchant use. Make sure the details you provide match your Skrill account exactly and keep everything secure. Avoid entering any personal or sensitive data that doesn't belong in these fields. Take a moment to verify a few settings while you're here. Ensure your store currency and the currencies supported by Skrill align with how you plan to sell. Check your payment capture preference in Shopify, whether you capture funds automatically or manually, so it matches your workflow. If your store operates in multiple regions, confirm that Skrill is available in your target countries. When all the required fields are filled out, follow the on-screen prompts to complete activation. Shopify will save the connection and return you to the payments page. You should now see Skrill listed as an active payment method. That means customers who use Skrill will be able to select it during checkout in your store. And that's it. You've opened Shopify, gone into Settings, navigated to Payments, added a payment method, searched for Skrill, clicked to install it, and entered the necessary details to activate and connect. Once it's active, you're ready to accept payments via Skrill and give your customers more flexibility at checkout.